stay gorgeous! From stunning lip designs like glossy lips, ombre lips, matte lips, and candy lips, to some must-know lip care tips, I've got you covered. Creating beautiful, eye-catching lip styles, but also how to keep your lips soft, hydrated, and healthy, because a perfect lip design starts with proper care. Let's get started. Exfoliate for soft, healthy lips. What you'll need: take 1 tablespoon Vaseline, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, then add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix everything well to create a smooth, grainy paste. Take a small amount of the scrub and gently rub it onto your lips in circular motions, then wait to dry wipe with a damp cloth. Follow up with a moisturizing lip balm for extra softness. It removes dead skin, leaving your lips soft, plump, and naturally glowing. Lip scrub number 2. Lemon and coffee exfoliation. How to use it. Take a fresh lemon and cut it in half. Sprinkle coffee powder generously onto the cut side of the lemon. Gently rub the lemon with coffee onto your lips in circular motions for 1 minute.
Exfoliating removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother surface beneath. To exfoliate, use a gentle lip scrub or a soft toothbrush in circular motions. You can either make your own lip scrub at home with simple ingredients like sugar and honey, or purchase fantastic options available in the market. Exfoliating not only smoothens your lips, but also enhances the absorption of moisturizers and other nourishing products. Remember, gentle exfoliation is crucial. Don't overdo it.
How to apply lipstick. Like a pro. Choose a lip liner that blends the edges inward for a smooth transition. Take your favorite lipstick, matte, glossy, or creamy, and fill in the outlined area. Add a touch of clear or tinted gloss in the center of your lips for a luscious, fuller effect. Smile and enjoy your perfectly styled lips. Layered, juicy lips. Use a neutral or soft pink matte lipstick as your base. Lightly apply it all over your lips and blend it out with your finger or a brush for a natural, smooth finish. Choose a slightly deeper shade, like rose red, mauve, or coral red. Blend it outward gently using your finger or a brush to create a natural gradient effect without covering the entire lips. Dab a light, shimmery lipstick or gloss, like coral, nude pink, or pearl, right in the center of your lips. Tap gently with your finger to enhance dimension and a juicy, pouty look.